Hey, welcome back to another episode of Lost by Laura. This episode is a continuation of my sailing journey. However, we are going international. This trip, I went down to Florida to visit a friend. You could say this is more of a continuation off of my Spain and Portugal travel vlogs, just that I see it as a way of working towards my future goal, which is to own my own boat and work remotely from the boat. So from Spain and Portugal, I practiced working abroad, and this is going to be take it one step further. I'm going to work abroad on a catamaran. Mind you, the catamaran's not moving, but it's still a pretty good step. I'm back in an airport. So this time I am flying to Miami, and while I'm not sailing, I am going down to live and work on a sailboat for a couple days. So this all started when my good friend Juan and the family of the boat that I'm visiting, they sailed through the Caribbean up through the Bahamas, and they sailed to Miami where they're leaving the boat for a little bit and they'll come and go and visit. And my friend is hard at work working on the boat, cleaning it, getting it ready, and he originally asked if, originally he was going to take a break from Miami and fly out to Vancouver to visit me and would go skiing, but he has an injury which wouldn't let him go skiing. So I suggested, well, why don't I come to you then? And so we looked into it, and with the permission of the family, I will be flying down and I'll be visiting him. I'll be living on the sailboat. So I'll help him out with the boat on the weekends. It sounds like he's really needs some help. It's a big boat. It's 62 feet and it's a catamaran, so 3 times the cleaning space. And then I am taking my work laptop and I will be doing my engineering work during the day, Monday, Tuesday that I'm there as well. So I think it's an excellent opportunity where I will be living and working on a sailboat. Mind you, it is in a marina, it's not moving, and it's not under passage, and it's a very nice catamaran, and I'm not fully working on it, but it'll be a great opportunity for me regardless. And I'm excited. It's snowy and rainy here in Canada, and I get to go down to Miami, enjoy 30 degrees sunshine, do some work in a bikini, and it's one step closer to my dream. So my first trip was going to Spain, working remotely while traveling, and now I will be in Miami working remotely while traveling, living on a boat. Boat that's not moving, a boat that's in a marina, and a boat that I'm not crewing on. I'm just visiting a good friend. But I'll help with work on the boat and I'll balance it out with my work. So baby steps, we're doing baby steps, and I think this is going to be an amazing opportunity. I'm back on a boat. So I'm staying with my good friends. This is probably all I'm going to show of the boat to you because I just really want to be respectful to their space, because this is their home. Like, this is their private living space, and it's not something that I want to showcase to the world. I just really want to be respectful because I'm really grateful that they've invited me into their home. Anyways, this is gonna be my cabin for the next week. I just had the most chaotic first day, but I'm back with my friend and we're having an amazing time, and I'm already so happy and excited to be here. Tomorrow is gonna be such a busy day. We have so much work to do. I think we're gonna be detailing the engine rooms is the main thing. Got a bunch of laundry to do. I've got to go get groceries and just a bunch of assorted stuff. But in the meantime, it's so incredible being back here. The boat smells the same, and just seeing the marinas with all the different boats and just the lifestyle that comes with it just makes me feel like I've come home to this whole environment, and I'm so happy to be back here. I cannot wait for tomorrow. I'm so excited to just do a bunch of manual labor on a boat. There's something really therapeutic about it, and I really enjoy it. So hopefully I can show a bit of that. But for now, I'm gonna go to bed. So talk to you tomorrow.
And they're going, huh? They're going in.
Oh, he's slowing.
Yeah. Because the big marinas are here or they're in the juniors.
Oh my god, it just keeps coming.
They're gonna be nervous. The thing with. Oh yeah.
Really nice one, huh?
That looks older.
Huh?
That one looks old. Really
Old?
nice, but like, isn't that another like 90s one?
This one? I don't know.
Jesus. Think about how used to be talented.
Oh, his buddy's slowing them down?
Yeah.
Oh, he's trying.
spot is.
Our crew on this trip consisted of a Canadian, an Argentinian, and an Irishman. I flew in on the Friday night, and Hamish joined us from Dublin on the Saturday night, leaving Sunday to complete a bunch of work around the boat. Mind you, Hamish and Juan were working on the boat full time. I came more out of friendship, but I was free the whole day before I started my job Monday morning. All three of us sailed on the World Ark at the same time, on different boats, and we became close friends. There was very real boat work that needed to be done. It was also a great opportunity for us to hang out once again. I was more than happy to help out my friend. Not only do I get these amazing accommodations of living on a boat in Florida, but I get to hang out with some of my best friends who I hadn't seen in almost a year, and I get to eat this amazing food because, of course, Argentinians know how to grill meat. All we ate was meat every single night, rain or shine, which shockingly, Florida can rain. Okay, that might not be a shock to you, but it definitely was to me. I thought it was going to be sunny weather the whole time, and it was pouring rain for the first 3 days. There's something so therapeutic about doing physical labor on a boat, whether that's cleaning out fans, making sure things are running smooth, polishing stainless steel. It's relaxing to use your hands. It's actually quite incredible how quickly time flies. It felt like only minutes before we were done our day, we were calling it, and we were heading down to the beach to enjoy our evening. Even though it's February, it's still gorgeous weather out and lots of people were out enjoying the beach. We walked down the main boardwalk, caught the sights, did a bit of people watching, and ended up at the pier where we could see a view of the sunset. We didn't stay out much longer after that. After all, we all had work to do the next day, myself included. Tomorrow was the very first day of working remotely on the boat.
Good morning. It's Monday, so time to get to work. Time to head out. Okay. Wow. Well, that was a little bit more extra than what I thought I would do, but I feel nice and clean now. So let's go have some breakfast.
I set up my workstation in the salon and settled in for a day's work. It was mostly checking email and report writing, so the day went by fairly smoothly. By the time the workday was done, the sun was out, so I threw on my bikini and went up to the flybridge to read my book and enjoy the last rays of sunshine.
This setup today. Okay, I'm gonna start work. I got my setup, I'm feeling motivated, I'm gonna start, and then I can finish work early. gonna do a little bit of work on the boat this morning and then do my work. It's Friday, so I think we're gonna go out, go see a bar in Florida. Wow, big boat coming in. Come take a look at this.
Oh, Laura, I like to do history. Wow. English is not my first language.
That's what it says.
No way.
You don't have big boats. Towing.
Yeah. The underneath of the. Fairly upwards. Never mind. So I used to watch, and that was the song on it. It was Icky Bicky.
Right. I'm the only name I know.
What is this guy called?
I didn't really like. He was kind of like. He didn't actually. It just. He just plays classic. Grand, I'll remember that.
All clean. Well, all empty. And now we'll clean it. Or maybe not me. I might have to start work soon. I only get the easy jobs. Look at these. It's a big boat moving day. See that guy coming through? Got a pilot boat.
There's not a brush.
So the first couple days being here, it was quite windy and rainy on and off and cloudy. So I was originally supposed to leave Wednesday, but I decided to miss my flight and I booked a new one on Saturday, and today's Friday, and I'm so glad I stayed the extra couple days because, like, look at this. It is sunny and gorgeous, and there's just a light breeze, and that's it, and it's so beautiful, and it's a lot better than working in my office in Canada, so this was well worth it. So I'm just gonna sit here, get some stuff done, move around the boat, try out different locations. Right now I've got a nice balance where I can be in the shade if I want to, but my lower half is in the sun, so get a bit of a tan while protecting my face and protecting my laptop so it doesn't heat up too much. And yeah, just answering a lot of emails, doing a tiny bit of design work, but otherwise just a bunch of writing. And it's very ideal work to do remotely. I don't have that much collaboration going on right now. I'm just doing answering emails about a project and writing a proposal. So perfect. This worked out very well.
Stay tuned, as next up, I'm going to show you our journey down the ICW, the Intercoastal Waterway. You know what? I'll have it figured out by the time the next episode hits, so make sure you look for that. But in the meantime, get lost.